Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Where I share insight, tips, and hacks for gig workers like you. Today, I'll be breaking down an important topic that every Uber driver needs to know: what counts as driving hours and what doesn't. I even reached out to the Uber help center to get the facts straight, and I'm sharing my screen so you can see the conversation for yourself. One of the most confusing things for drivers is understanding how Uber calculates your time online. Many people think that as long as you are logged into the Uber app, your hours are being counted. But that's not the case. Let me explain how it actually works. As you can see here, I asked Uber directly about this. They clarify that only the time spent actively driving with passengers counts towards your hours. This includes things like being at a red light or stuck in a traffic during a ride. But if you're online and waiting for a trip, like sitting in an airport parking lot or waiting at home, that time isn't counted. So, to break it down simply, time starts counting when you accept a ride request and are driving to pick up the passengers. It continues while you have the passenger in your car and are driving them to their destination. Even if you are temporarily stopped at a red light or in a traffic during the ride, that time is counted. But here is what doesn't count: sitting in an airport parking lot waiting for a trip, being online in the app without accepting any ride request. Just because you're logged in and ready to drive doesn't mean your hours are being added up. Uber is only tracking the time you are actively driving or engaging with passengers. That's the most important thing. And why does this matter actually? Knowing what counts can help you manage your time more efficiently and plan your driving strategy better. So for example, if you're spending too much time parked at airports waiting for trips, that's really unproductive time. So focus instead on hotspots where you are more likely to get consistent ride requests. As you Now that you know what counts as driving time, so you can make smarter choice to maximize your earnings and efficiency. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow drivers, and subscribe for more insider tips. And let me know in the comments how do you optimize your driving time. I like to hear your strategies.